Well, friends, this is the finished product. Again, I'm no florist, but I think it came out okay. Good afternoon, my fellow gardeners. This is South Carolina Transplant. You're here at some point because these always spilled onto the walkway here. I have a feeling I should put them further back. I did not mean to break this limb. I was just turning it around so that I could see what shape the flowers were in. 1, 2, 3. So this is a little dance I have to make. You know, I have to play. So 1, 2, 3. You got it?
Picture, probably. I don't know. Look and see if you got the picture.
Good morning, my gardening peeps. This is South Carolina Transplant, also known as Martin, coming to you live from Zone 8A, the Piedmont of South Carolina. My long sleeve, dry fit t-shirts. And these t-shirts, call while supplies last. Lines will be closing at X amount of time.
It is me.
As you can all see, I have a sense of humor. I like to have fun around the house and also making videos. And one last thing, I wanted to extend a special shout out to my cousin Jerry out in Arizona. Cuz, thank you for giving me just that little nudge to motivate me to put out more content. I always appreciate hearing from you. Good afternoon, my fellow gardeners. This is South Carolina Transplant, also known as Martin, coming to you live from Zone 8A, the Piedmont of South Carolina. The manifold that's feeding this is right beneath. So hope. Ladies and gentlemen, this concludes our test of the emergency broadcast system. We thank you for your patience. Right beneath those hanging baskets. Some darn reason I'm having issues taking my meds this morning. Please stand by. Ladies and gentlemen, this is a test of the emergency broadcast system. Please stand by. We now conclude this regularly scheduled program. The hummingbirds are not near any nectar, but they're over here doing a little dance with each other. So I'm gonna make my way over to the first of the 3 hanging baskets that we have here. I'm going to, so until next time, friends, this is South Carolina Transplant. Oh, also, I always forget to mention this. Please like, share, and subscribe, and please comment. We're a little over, is that okay? Okay. We have to do it. Friends, if you ever find yourself needing one of these boot devices and your healthcare provider asks you if you want to level up, they're not talking about gaming. They're talking about this contraption I'm wearing on my left foot. Oh, thank you. I want to get a picture with you. You want to get in, ma'am?
Nobody. Hi, everybody.
We're going to do the open in 3, 2, 1. Good afternoon, my fellow gardeners. This is South. 3, 2, 1. Good afternoon, my fellow gardeners. This is South Carolina Transplant doing a test of my intro of 3, 2, then 1. These microclimates can be quite fascinating. So I have some material breaking down on the ground already.
I'm gonna rake that up. That's free money right there. Now it's to the point where I'm going, I don't care.
Sunflower plant, that is. Why I say that I'm lucky is these two different plant species, they require different watering. The hydrangea needs a lot of water. It needs a lot of water. Whereas the sunflower doesn't want any. So we're heading back to our home, and we're going to get the test results and see what happens. I'm really enjoying this experience. This is someplace I thought I'd never be in my gardening journey, but I'm really enjoying it. So,
isn't that cool, man? Yeah, man. So I got to figure out a rock for that. That's not popping enough for me. That just looks like somebody it fell there. Yeah. 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 Yeah, right in front of the middle there. Okay, okay. Let's get. Oh, you gotta be an actress.